Hello students, today we are going to learn kinds of nouns. So before starting with kinds of noun, we will first revise what is noun. So a noun is a name given to a person, place, animal or thing. So now kinds of nouns are 5. So one by one we will learn all kinds of noun. So first kind of noun is common noun, second is proper noun, third is abstract noun, fourth is collective noun, fifth is material noun. So the first type of noun is common noun. A common noun is the common name given to persons or things of the same kind. For example, girl, boy, city, these are common nouns. There are many cities like Pune, Mumbai, Nagpur, Kolkata, etc. But commonly we call them a city. So this is called a common noun. Here one example I have given, that is Mona has new shoes. Here shoes is a common noun. So students, you all know that shoes are of different brand like Bata is one of the most common brand of shoes, but we didn't call it by its brand. We call it commonly as a shoes. So this is your common noun. Next noun that we are going to see is proper noun. A proper noun is the special name given to a persons or things. For example, Harry made 20 runs. So any proper name given to any person or thing is your proper noun. So here example is Harry made 20 runs. When I am saying that Harry made 20 runs, I am talking about a particular person, that is Harry. So here Harry is a proper noun. Your proper noun always begins with the capital letter. So you can easily identify the proper noun. Next noun that we are going to see is abstract noun. An abstract noun is the common name given to qualities, feelings, action or states. Now here abstract noun means any quality of any person or any action done by any person or any feeling is your abstract noun. For example, Shilpa is an honest girl. So here honest is the quality of a girl, Shilpa, and hence it is an abstract noun. So this type is known as an abstract noun. For there are more examples of abstract noun such as beauty, darkness, happy, pain, kindness, truth, etc. So this is abstract noun. So next type of noun that we are going to see is collective noun. A collective noun is a group name given to a collection of persons or things. So when now in the name itself it says that collective noun means whenever there is a collection of any persons or things, it is said to be collective noun. For example, now we can say team of a players. So the collection of players is said to be team. Then swarm of bees, then flock of sheep. So these are your collective nouns, where collective nouns is given to a group of persons or things, the name given to a group of a persons or things. So here team, swan, flock is your collective noun. So next noun that we are going to see is material noun. A material noun is the name given to a material things, substances or items of food or drinks. Now in the name itself it says that material noun means whenever any items of food or drinks is there or any substance is there or any material is there, then that are known as material nouns. For example, water, wheat, gold, salt, milk, etc. These are your material noun. So here one exercise we will see. That is, pick out the nouns from these sentences and write them in the proper boxes. So students, here from each sentence you have to identify the noun and which kind of noun it is. You have to identify that kind and write them in a proper box. So here 4 boxes are given: common, proper, abstract and collective. So you have to identify these 4 kinds of noun from the sentences given below. So first sentence is, Lolo the tortoise moved slowly. So here noun is Lolo and tortoise. So now Lolo and tortoise, these are the nouns, but now here Lolo is the name of the tortoise, so it is a particular name of the tortoise, so it will come in the proper noun. And here tortoise is a common name, so it is a common noun, so you have to write this in the proper boxes. Now here Gandhiji always spoke the truth. Now here Gandhiji is the name, it is a proper name. So this Gandhiji will come in a proper noun, and Gandhiji's quality is given that Gandhiji always spoke the truth. So here truth is the quality. So quality will always come in abstract noun. So truth you will write in abstract noun. So like this, in all the remaining sentences you have to identify the nouns and write them in the proper boxes. Thank you.